In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Webflow. If you've ever needed to organize content into clear, scannable chunks, like features, benefits, or step highlights, the simplest way to do that in Webflow is with the built-in list element. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to use it so your content is both easy to read and accessible. First, open your Webflow project in the designer and navigate to the page or section where you want the bullets to appear. Make sure you have the right spot selected. This could be a container, a grid cell, or a rich text area, so the list drops in exactly where you expect it. Positioning it thoughtfully now saves you from rearranging things later. Next, open the Add Elements panel. You'll find this on the left side of the designer as the plus icon. Clicking it reveals a library of elements you can place on the page. If you don't immediately see what you need, remember you can scroll or use the search field to filter the list. We're looking for the text and content items, which include headings, paragraphs, and, importantly, lists. Now click the list element. This inserts a semantic list onto your canvas, typically with list items ready for you to edit. Click directly into a list item and start typing your content. Press Enter to create a new bullet, or delete an empty item to remove it. Keeping each bullet to a single focused idea helps readability, and starting each one with a consistent verb or noun keeps the list feeling polished. If your content needs to be numbered rather than bulleted, you can switch the list type later in the designer's settings, but for most quick summaries, round bullets work great. A few quick tips while you're working. Lists are more than just visual markers. They provide meaningful structure for search engines and screen readers, which improves accessibility. Keep the surrounding text sizes and spacing consistent, so the bullets feel integrated with the rest of your layout. If you're using a class on the list or its items, apply it once and reuse it across sections to maintain a cohesive style without extra effort. And that's it. By opening your project, accessing the Add Elements panel, and clicking List, you've added clean, readable bullet points that make your content easier to scan and understand. Use them wherever you need clarity and hierarchy, and you'll notice your pages feel instantly more organized.